Hi, World History students. Here are the questions for Chapter 1, Section 1 that will help you read a little bit more deeply and understand a little bit more. So the questions that are green and blue on the screen are the questions that are taken right out of the text, and then the questions in red are the questions that I've added, that I've written, that I think will help you to build that deeper meaning that I was just talking about. Okay? So let me get that back up there here so you're not looking at me. And question number 1 as you get into Chapter 1, Section 1. So the checkpoint question is, what kinds of evidence do historians use to study the past? As you're reading, read the question here, what is an artifact, and push pause afterwards, find the answer, and then come back, push play, and listen to the next question. So first question, what is an artifact? Second question, list kinds of artifacts and evidence that historians use to study the past. What does interpret mean? What gets in the way of historians' interpretations sometimes? And you're moving on to the second section, the second red heading in your textbook in Chapter 1, Section 1. The checkpoint question at the end of that is, what types of evidence do anthropologists and archaeologists study to learn about prehistory? The first question is, when did scholars start to study prehistory? Look for the answer, push pause, look for the answer, and then come back and push play. What does an anthropologist study? What does archaeology focus on? What do most archaeologists agree on? Why is an archaeologist's work difficult? Who do archaeologists rely on? And then the last section in Chapter 1, Section 1, the last checkpoint question is, what have anthropologists learned about the use of tools during prehistory? And the questions to help you as you're reading here, remember, push pause, look for the answer, come back and push play. When did anthropologists start to form a picture of life during prehistory? Where did Mary and Louis Leakey find evidence of early tools? What did Donald Johanson put together for the first time? What was the name Donald gave to the set of hominid bones? What does Homo habilis mean? What does Homo erectus mean? Who are Homo sapiens? What did anthropologists think about where the first humans came from? What happened to Neanderthals? Those are all the questions for Chapter 1, Section 1. Thank you for listening in. Hopefully that helped you. Please complete the survey, the Google Docs survey that I have to let me know if this helped or not. And we'll see you in the next section. Good night.